Hi everyone, I'm Lily. Welcome to my channel. Today I want to show you how to make these Hounstoot pattern gloves. In the first, make a slip knot and 20 chains. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Make 20 chains. Measure chains around your wrist. You can make larger. Insert your hook in the first chain. Look like a slip stitch. Make a chain. Go to first chain in this chain, in this hole. Yarn over, insert your hook in this hole, make a double crochet, pull through, pull through. Yarn over, go to next chain, make a double crochet, pull through, pull through. Yarn over, go to next chain, make a double crochet, pull through, pull through. Hide this yarn under a stitch. Yarn over, pull through, pull through. Yarn over, go to next chain, pull through, pull through. Make 1 double crochet in each chain. Go to last chain, 1 double crochet, slip stitch from here, this chain, top of first stitch, slip stitch, 1 chain, yarn over, insert your hook to this hole and take this stitch on your hook. This stitch on your hook. Pull through, pull through. Make a double crochet. Yarn over, take this stitch on your hook. Pull through, pull through. Pull through, pull through. 1 double crochet in each stitch. One double crochet in last stitch, a slip stitch from this chain, top of first stitch, a slip stitch, 1 chain and continue. Insert your hook to this chain, first chain of row, change color, a slip stitch, make a chain, go to first stitch in this hole, make 1 single crochet, 1 single crochet in first stitch, go to next stitch, make 1 double crochet, hide this yarn under a stitch, go to next stitch, make 1 single crochet, go to next stitch, make 1 double crochet, and repeat 1 single crochet, 1 double crochet, 1 double crochet, 1 single crochet, 1 double crochet, make 1 double crochet in last stitch, go to first chain, change color, I use white yarn, slip stitch, 1 chain, yarn over, go to first stitch, go to this hole, make 1 double crochet, 1 double crochet, 1 single crochet, 1 double crochet, 1 single crochet, 1 double crochet, 1 single crochet for this row. Go to first chain, change color, slip stitch, 1 chain, make a single crochet, double crochet. When I use black yarn, start rows with single crochet. When I use the white yarn, start the rows by double crochet. Single crochet, double crochet, and continue. Put on your hands and measure for thumb. I marked end row is here, end of thumb, and marked this stitch, I start next row and stitching from here. Look like crochet from here. In here we have 1 2 3 4 5 stitch. We make 1 2 3 4 5 chains. Go to first stitch, and a slip stitch. One chain, one double crochet and continue. One single crochet, one double crochet. In these chains, make one single crochet, go to next chain, make one double crochet, go to next chain, make one single crochet, one double crochet, one single crochet, slip stitch, change yarn, make a chain, one single crochet, one double crochet. For left hand, measure look like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Mark this stitch, make a chain, make a double crochet in first stitch and make 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 chains, one single crochet in marked stitch, one double crochet, single crochet and continue for this row. Change color, slip stitch, make 3 chains and one double crochet in each stitch. Make 20 chains, slip stitch and make a ring, make 1 chain, 1 double crochet in first stitch, go to first stitch, pull through, and make 1 double crochet in each stitch. A slip stitch from this chain, top of first stitch chain, make a chain and make double crochet from back of a stitch. Take a stitch on your hook and stitching. A slip stitch, make a chain, yarn over, take 2 stitch on hook, make 1 double crochet, take 2 stitch, a slip stitch, make a chain, take 2 stitch, put on gloves and fix this part from here. Make these 2 pieces together with single crochet. Fix the yarn and make single crochet in each stitch.